Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth earphone setting in our Samsung phone. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect your earphones. Guys you have guys earphones and guys you want to connect with your Samsung phone. So guys how can you connect? In this video guys I will show you friends. First of all guys we will have to come in our phone setting to connect our earphones. And guys you can see first setting as connection. So guys tap here. Second option guys you can see Bluetooth settings. So friends tap here. And guys we will on our Bluetooth and guys we will on our earphones. So I will on it. Then I we will refresh it. Then guys you can see guys your earphone name. So I have got this U1 earphone. So I will tap here to connect. Then guys you can see this notification. Guys tap here right side. Then friends you can see connected for calls and audio. And guys you want to adjust this volume. So as you can adjust from here Bluetooth volume. So as now you can use guys your earphone while watching movies, operating YouTube, listening songs. So as you can use guys your earphones. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect earphone to our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys. Before going guys please go and like my video.